Hello, I'm Monica Aguirre with Prairie View A&M University Cooperative Extension Program. Today we're going to be discussing how to improve or rebuild our credit. A credit report is where information is reported and stored by 3 credit reporting bureaus. These are TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. It provides companies and other interested parties information about you, your address, past and present loans, credit accounts, and more. You should get a copy of your credit report each year. You can get a free copy at www.annualcreditreport.com. It is also free if you have been turned down for credit. Otherwise, you may be charged. What happens if you have poor credit? This may prevent you from getting a credit card, rent an apartment, start phone service, getting a loan, getting a job, buying a home, or financing a car. How much damage has been done to your credit? Often what leads to bad credit is the inability to pay bills, unexpected situations, or divorce. A few late payments might be downplayed if you pay on time for several months. A default or bankruptcy may be more difficult to put behind you. Sometimes bankruptcy can't be avoided. Common reasons for filing bankruptcy include large medical bills, seriously overextended credit, lack of adequate insurance after a catastrophe, divorce, and/or marital problems. You need an attorney to file bankruptcy. Hiring an attorney protects your rights in bankruptcy court. Make sure the attorney you retain is an expert in bankruptcy. Collection agencies. Once this happens, collection agencies begin to call. They must provide you with the amount of the debt, the name of the original creditor, and notification that you have 30 days to dispute the debt. Legally, you can ask a collection agency to stop calling you. Make sure to put it in writing. However, you may be losing an opportunity to explain your situation and resolve the debt. And no, you are still responsible for legitimate debt. Can a collector call your neighbors? Collectors may contact any third party, neighbors, relatives, or coworkers only one time. They can only call to confirm or correct information about where you are, and they cannot tell the third party that you owe a debt. How long will it take to rebuild your credit? Each person's situation is different. It takes time to establish good credit, and lenders have wide-ranging requirements. Just know that everything a credit repair company can do legally, you can do for yourself. Credit repair companies charge money, sometimes lots of money. No one can legally remove accurate negative information from a credit report. If you decide to work with a company, research the offer carefully. Some people wonder if you can get new, clean personal identity number. The answer is no. Companies that promise you a new social security number or tax ID number are breaking the law. One way to improve your credit is to understand how your credit score is determined. Your credit score is usually based on the answers to these questions. Do you pay your bills on time? If you have paid bills late, have had an account referred to a collection agency, or have ever declared bankruptcy, this history will show up on your credit report. Next question is, what is your outstanding debt? Many scoring models compare the amount of debt you have and your credit limits. If the amount of debt you owe is close to your credit limit, it is likely to have a negative effect on your score. Third question, how long is your credit history? A short credit history may have a negative effect on your score, but a short history can be offset by other factors, such as timely payments and low balances. Fourth question, have you applied for new credit recently? If you have applied for too many new accounts recently, that may negatively affect your score. However, if you request a copy of your own credit report, this is not counted as a credit application. Final question, how many and what types of credit accounts do you have? Many credit scoring models consider the number and types of credit accounts you have. A mix of installment loans and credit cards may improve your score. However, too many finance company accounts or too many credit cards might hurt your score. A secure credit card can help you repair your credit. Show you can handle credit responsibly by using the card to make a few purchases. Make all payments before the due date and pay your balance in full each month. After 1 year, apply for a regular unsecured card. If managing your finances is becoming overwhelming, you may want to seek credit counseling. Credit counseling is a service that helps people get out of debt. They offer budgeting and money management, as well as debt management programs. Most credit counseling organizations negotiate directly with creditors on your behalf in order to lower the interest rates and to waive accumulated late fees. You can find a credit counseling agency near you by calling 1-800-388-2227. Thank you for joining us today. If you would like additional information related to rebuilding your credit, feel free to contact me, Monica Aguirre, at 210-631-0400.